How to recover disappearing messages on Instagram. This tutorial explains what happens to disappearing messages and if there's any way to retrieve them on your Android device. First, it's important to understand that disappearing messages on Instagram are designed to be permanently deleted. Once they disappear, Instagram does not save them anywhere on their servers or your device. This is a privacy feature, so there's no official way to recover them. However, there are a few things you can try. Open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on the messages icon at the bottom to go to your DMs. Following that, open the conversation where the disappearing message was sent. Now, check if the message is still within its time limit. If it was set to disappear after viewing but you haven't opened it yet, it might still be there. Moving forward, if you want to save a disappearing message before it's gone, you can take a screenshot by pressing volume down and power button together. Keep in mind the sender will be notified that you took a screenshot. Afterwards, if the message has already disappeared, you can ask the sender to resend it. They might still have a copy if they saved it before sending. Alternatively, if you recently backed up your phone to Google Drive or Samsung Cloud, you might be able to restore an older backup that includes the message. However, this is unlikely to work as disappearing messages are not included in most backups. Open Settings on your device. Tap on Google or Accounts and Backup. Look for Backup and Restore options. Check if you have a recent backup available. Note that restoring a backup will overwrite your current data. This is not recommended unless you absolutely need that message. In reality, once a disappearing message is gone from Instagram, it's permanently deleted. Instagram doesn't store these messages for privacy reasons. The best way to keep important messages is to not send them as disappearing messages, or save them immediately by screenshotting before they vanish. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you understand disappearing messages on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.